If you want more details about exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and what I think of the product, then check out this video where I do a full in-depth voiceover over the entire process. Now, there is one side to the MJ splitter versus a riving knife, and that is actually attached to that zero clearance insert plate, which is kind of a bummer because since my table saw is attached to my workbench, a lot of the times I will take off this fence, drop this blade down, and I will use this entire surface as my workbench. So it's kind of a bummer that this doesn't just automatically lower down, but these little pieces are so easy to pop out, and in my opinion, it's worth the additional safety that these will provide. It'll cut better. Like, you don't have to set up 2 feather boards every time. You can just use this instead. It's totally worth it. In my opinion, this is a win. Besides it being a little time consuming to set up the initial one, once you have that jig built, I mean, you could have these holes drilled super fast on all your new zero clearance inserts. So really there's not much of a downside to it. It's just a good product, and it's making my table saw way safer. And if you don't have a riving knife, or if you want the extra support of an additional feather board like pressure, then definitely check this product out. I would highly recommend it. It's pretty affordable for what it is, and it just makes it genuinely safer. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and improve your table saw, then check out the link that I have in the description down below. It'll take you directly to their website where you'll have a 10% discount, and I'll get a little kickback that'll help support my channel. Now, if you guys want to see all of the tools I have and what I think about them, then go ahead and hit that video right there. It is a full shop tour of my shop, and I go through all the tools I have and what I think about them.